Once your bot is connected to Wi-Fi and the map review and addition is complete, you are ready to set up Bob's schedules. Bob can follow up to 7 cleaning schedules at any given time. Open the bObsweep app, make sure Bob is online and there are no active trouble messages at the top of the page. Click Schedule and tap Add New Cleaning Schedule. When should Bob clean? Tap to select the time when you would like Bob to start cleaning. Schedule a time that is at least 15 minutes in the future. Then select as many days as you would like to schedule for this time, and hit Next. Where should Bob clean? On the map, select as many rooms as you would like for this schedule. Note that if a room has not been labeled before, the app will prompt you to label the room first. If you prefer to ask Bob to clean everywhere on the schedule, simply toggle Clean Everywhere. By default, Bob cleans on his quiet or low power setting. Switch to turbo lift mode if Bob is expected to use more power while cleaning, then hit Next. Review the schedule summary. If everything looks good, tap Save or use the back button to go back and make modifications. Once saved, the app automatically assigns a numerical value to the new schedule, and you can view the schedule summary on the screen. To delete a schedule, grab and swipe left, then hit Delete. To edit a schedule, click on the schedule you would like to edit. Note that if you delete your bot from the app, delete room labels from the map, erase your map, or hard reset Bob, all scheduled cleanings will be deleted as well. If you need additional help with Bob or his app, please get in touch with our helpful support team.